Today I will make cucumber, onion and tomato salad. For this recipe I'm going to use 300 grams of cherry tomatoes, 3 cucumbers, 1 onion and a few branches of parsley. Let's get started. I'm going to start with onion. I will dice up and place onion in the mixing bowl. Since I have cherry tomatoes, I will cut them in half. If they were bigger, I would quarter them. Next, I'm slicing cucumbers. Just slice them nicely, not too thin and not too thick. And finishing up the last one. Parsley is absolutely tasty. I cut a little bit of the stem off, separate branches and chop, and place it in the mixing bowl as well. Then I need to add some olive oil, some salt, pepper, just a pinch or two, to suit your own personal taste preferences. That's it. After give that all a good mix, then just let everything melt for a little while you serve it. Thanks for watching and find the full written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like button, follow, and I will share new simple food recipe with you.